Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now let's open our program by saying basmalah together. Good morning everybody, good afternoon everybody. How are you today? It is the first lesson using English because I told you previously that we will run the facility layouts planning in English. So we will assign this class into international class. So it will be the first lesson. I have already told you that the book I will use is this book. Okay. Perencanaan Tata Letak Fasilitas by Santoso and Rainisa M. Herianto. Although we are an international class, but I will allow you to use Indonesian literature, okay, for your reading materials. In this meeting, actually it tends to be more theoretical. So I will need you to read this book. If you have no book, okay, I will send the copy of the book. I mean the copy of the material through the group, our WhatsApp group. Okay, in the first chapter, of course, it is only what we call introduction to facility layout planning, okay, and it covers what should the industrial engineer need to design to plan the layout of the facility, and what you have to do is just read this chapter. Okay, the first chapter is around 22 pages, and in the end of the discussion, in the end of the chapter, there will be discussion. Okay, in this discussion, you should comprehend your understanding in the introduction of layout, facility layout design, facility layout planning. Okay, the aim of this chapter actually is something like a opening gate for you to understand, to comprehend what actually layout design, facility layout design or facility layout planning. Okay, after comprehending this chapter, I expect you in the page 23. So I will send you the copy of the material. Don't worry. I need you to discuss. Okay, in this discussion, you need to evaluate how you evaluate the facility planning in our campus, in the campus where we are studying right now. So you have to write down what kind of change needs to make, okay, for the facility in our campus. And then you also need to replan what kind of facility layout in our campus. And the next one is why, what kinds of consideration you redesign, you replan this facility layout. And then in the second discussion, you need to what we call draw, okay, the process facility planning for the bank, university. Well, it is represented in the first discussion. And then the third one is a distribution center. You also learn supply chain management, right? So you can use your knowledge of supply chain management here in facility layout design. And then the last one is consultant and engineering office. Okay, don't worry, all of the material are in Bahasa Indonesia, so you will comprehend easily. Okay, as usual, I will open the Mocha right after this video, the session, and then you can fill up the attendance list anytime during this day only. And then for assignment, I expect to get your assignment, your papers before the class start next week. Understand? During 1 week, you can call me, you can contact me, you can write down something. If you have any comment, you just type down in the comment column, or as usual, you can also send me a message through WhatsApp. Okay? No question? Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.